In this tutorial, I show you how you can connect your DSLR to your telescope. So you're basically going to need two things. The first thing is so-called T-ring. So this basically just goes onto your camera and it has a thread in here, which allows you to slot a second thing in, which is a prime focus adapter. This adapter is basically going to go where our eyepiece is, or our star diagonal. So all you need to do is screw those two together, and then we're going to connect this to our camera. So I got this right here. Bring this up and slot it where you would normally put in your lens. And so it should look something like this. So the next thing you will need to do, if you have a refractor telescope like I do, you're just going to remove the star diagonal. Just going to put this right here for a moment. And then we're just going to take our camera and slot it in where our diagonal was. So this, put this back on, and this is how it works, at least for a refractor telescope. If you don't have a refractor telescope, you're just going to need to put this where your eyepiece normally would go. So let's just demonstrate it real quick. Put in our star diagonal back. Okay, put it back in. So yeah, just gonna remove the eyepiece. Put it right there. And yeah, basically all you need to do now is just slot in your camera. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is how it works for other telescopes like reflector telescopes. So yeah, and that's pretty much it with this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them.